back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Have you ever had like that liquid lipstick that's so amazing you just want to wear it every single day? We're gonna be talking about my top 5 favorite liquid lipsticks, and these are the ones that I usually reach for all the time. So I'm always gonna be carrying around liquid lipstick that's easy to layer or layerable. One that's probably, I prefer thin formula. If it's not thin, it has to be comfortable on the lips. I don't want to be able to feel it, especially because I wear it, you know, all day at work or wherever I'm at. I want to feel confident in it and know that it's not going to move. So this intro has gone way too long, but let's go ahead and get into it. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Item number 1 is supposed to just be this one, but I have 2 from the same brand, so I'm just going to talk about them together. Fighting with My Family. The main actress in the movie, her name is Paige. Paige, from that movie Fighting with My Family, she has her own makeup line and she is coming out with more stuff. At the moment she has an eyeshadow palette, which I have, which is really good. She has a highlighting palette, she has liquid lipsticks, I believe she has glosses too. Her brand is of course bringing out more and more things. There's stuff in the works for that brand and I'm really excited for them because these 2 liquid lipsticks and their palette are amazing and really good quality. Even the packaging itself, I'm gonna show you. This is the shade Sweet Soraya, and it's just a nice, like, well thought out packaging. That's them right there. The first one I chose was Lydia, and that was the first one on my list. So this is a Soraya Jade matte liquid lipstick in Lydia, and this shade is more of a, I called it like an everyday kind of pinky purple nude, and this is just like a kind of like your lips but better kind of color. I feel like when I put it on, it's just easy. I wear it on those days where I'm not even wearing makeup and just mascara. I'll throw this on and I feel, you know, as confident as I would wearing a full face because it's just a really nice color. These types of liquid lipsticks are super lightweight and layerable and they're so comfortable, and if you haven't tried it, you should. These are retailing for $7 and I get mine at my local, you know, Hot Topic. That's usually where I find them, or on their site, the Soraya Jade site. They also have an Instagram which I follow. And yeah, so this is the shade Lydia, and I'll give it a swatch just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And this shade is just so nice as well. Pigmented, layerable, and easy to wear, easy to take around with you anywhere. Just throw it on. It's just very nice, very thin, easy to apply. And this is the shade Lydia. Second one we have to talk about is this H&M Velvet Lip Cream, and this is the shade Sunstone, and it looks like this. This one is regularly $4.99. I got it on sale for $1, and that is because they're having a large like clearance. I don't know if it's clearance or just like a 70% off sale, which is crazy. I bought a palette, I bought a face primer, they have foundation. So if you haven't been to your local H&M that has like the makeup area without this available, I'm not sure they're doing it on their site too. This is a really good formula. It's also very thin, lightweight on the lips, not uncomfortable at all. This is my like more like everyday shade. I like these kind of like orangey brown kind of tones. Those are just my colors, and this is one that I hope they don't stop making these because I really want to purchase another one because it's just that good. It's just like the shade that goes with every look. Like, you won't go wrong with just purchasing this color and never ever buy a different color again because it's just really amazing. And like I said, you could get it for $1 if you find it on sale right now. I'm not sure if that 70% off sale is still going on, but this is a really good one. Let me give it a swatch next to the Soraya one so you could see what I'm talking about. Reminds me of the Wet n Wild Katsu liquid lipstick in Give Me Mocha. It kind of reminds me of that because it's just like that kind of liquid lipstick that's so comfortable that you just want to wear all the time. Like I don't even reach for my other liquid lipsticks that are just, you know, not at the same level or like a harder color to work with. But yeah, this is like an everyday shade, really easy. Throw it in your purse and you'll have a, you know, easy lip color. I also really like the applicator and the way that it applies it. It's kind of like more curved than your usual doe foot. This color, they did have like a dark blue one also, but I'm glad I chose this one because it quickly became one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. Number 3 on the list is a Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Why Not. It looks like this. These are the liquid lipsticks that I have the most of. I have various colors ranging from light pink to this deep one. I think this is the deepest one I have, and this is like a dark purple, which I'm gonna swatch for you because it's just so beautiful. And this is one that I get a lot of compliments on whenever I wear it, and quite a bit of people have actually purchased it after I've told them which shade it was. It's just a really nice shade, very nice. And these I wouldn't say is the most comfortable formula to wear. These tend to, if you layer them too much, there's like a limit to how much you can layer these, because if you layer them too much, you feel it on your lips after a while. One of them will cost you $21, which is a little expensive, I'm gonna say, but they're worth it. It's just the colors are very opaque, they're layerable because of the intensity of the shade. They're not like the ones that you layer and then you could see the bottom layer, you know what I'm talking about if you layer your lipsticks a lot. Because I wear them to work, so I need them to last me the whole day. Number 4 on the list will retail you for $6, and it's the Bad Habit liquefied lipstick. So this is one that I bought on Hush when it was available, and then now it's not available on the Bad Habit site either. So who knows, mystery of the brands. But this is the shade Speed Dial, and this one is one that I use all the time, and even the letters have rubbed off. I've talked about it quite a few times in other videos. Nice like rusty red brown kind of shade, and that's it right there. Really good as well. This is like my favorite color, kind of like what I'm wearing, like a rusty red, rusty brownish red, you know what I'm talking about, like a burgundy. Those kind of shades are like my favorite. So I'm not surprised that this quickly became one of my favorites, because again, also very layerable, very comfortable on the lips, really lightweight, just easy, like an easy liquid lipstick to wear the whole day that won't bug you and that you don't have to worry about. And yeah, so this one is another one of my favorites. Last one on the list is one that we spoke about and then we mentioned in the morning that we mentioned earlier, and that is a Soraya Jade Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sweet Soraya, which is red, beautiful shade. This is one that I also get a lot of compliments on when I wear. Just love a good like blue base red. It's just really beautiful, and that's it right there in the bottom. I can't say enough good things about these because these are just amazing, and for the price, $7, like compared, I mean, this one is amazing, but compared to $21 versus $7, I would honestly recommend these, but these are a little limited on shades. 5 shades. I'm not sure. Maybe they have more on their website. Of the things that I mentioned in today's video, the other links are available below. Of course, the only one that doesn't have one is the Bad Habit one. We made it to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I have an Instagram. I'll have it right here. If you want to follow me, that'll be great. I post every day on there. I do have a palette lottery, which is where I pick palettes every day, and then I upload pictures and swatches. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. We're waiting for you.